Impact TV Cookie Channel Agenda Manipur Cookie Edition discussion our gift and refreshment sponsor Kohi Industry Vessel C Avelin SEIMINLAL KIPGEN Kaimai Nabon Chawin Lim na kahi na kini na Suletunihi November that one na hi tokil hanin I ho cookie sin mizotia dinga tupi ta imano kut chawangkut festival zonga hin hizichun Impact TV staff Sule core committee cookie channel thalhangin nabon chawin kut chibai zong kahin bo vinahi Sule tuni ki holan na diu thupi cho hile khowei tengle MLA ai ho election om tokil hana topic cho hile are we ready for free and fair election ti chung sang tho yung ki hodi wa hi into in hani hakhat hani hathum tabang inai ta bin hi chun khowei tengle ai ho thing hanga addition ai ho cookie cha te la election evolving ole et panila diu ham free and fair election tin campaign tam ta azong evolve in a hin la anato inwang kha chai podo povin tu hi changin hi chun hi chung sang tho ayung ki holdi lim diwa hin chule tunia ho ki holim na dinga Google Meet guest HANGZO ten amasapanin intro hin bowling kating amasapanin puti ke KIAMLO HANGZO retire IDA samazong core committee chule producer pa chule Impact TV cookie channel thalhangin lim na kahin nain ani chana in pu KC GUITE advocate amazong I ho core committee producer pa chule Impact TV cookie channel thalhangin lim na kahin nain nahi ale tu inti holim na so anachi paijing hoite ama sapanin puti ke KIAMLO HANGZO retire IDS command na si inkating ay la pu kumsile or after 5 years election hi na izing kevin hi si election hi na avahin apart sila free and fair election itivin election campaigns on itivin bike rallies on itivin till tam ta evolve even before the election but election meeting le angay ngaya ai ho ichi dano hongpi kan izuizing kevin hisi ipg ham chule ichi iti hel thayungai ham si public hozi hidam hi lole hichulanga ihat rule and regulation to hozi da ipg in dem chi chung sang thoma sapena ni hin sai thai ham
Kuki pae cookie channelin chitibang oram nan semuhi amasa penin tilpa here. Yes, we do need a clean election. Eho said Manipur adidin 12 Manipur Legislative Assembly election he Hovele Canadian time. We have only just about 4 months away. Tuje chun eho gamhi hit mangin free and fair election omlo anahin democratic fundamental rights to vote he pata in imang hiwin tuje chun a whole in uh, it is high time we need to have a kind of uh, election votes, just like we have in Mizoram. Mizoram ahi 2006 kumin hi Mizoram People Forum kiti ahan kiput doin with the uh, blessing of the church in Mizoram and other CSO like MZP and other CSO. They could organize clean elected, free and fair election in Mizoram. Susi bangchun eho Manipur bumpi hi zongle. At least Thinglang hill area adi eho Kuki dominated constituency ahi. Example Suzanpur, Chandel, Tengnopal, Kangpokpi, le dang eho itam na constituency ahi. Ikipit ngai tai. Tunle I am grateful that Saitu constituency ahi they have already started Zani Zong in Leimakong Central Church ahi fasting prayer ananeun hobung lamkai ho tokito in initiative analatan kipa wale hizongle ke ho Susanpur lang hi kipat nailo kipandi katia clean election campaign ni kisi kiha seito ya kiha seito hi hizongle tuchan ge hi ima ki bol thia kasi bangin Mizoram People Forum in initiative anala suti banga election watchdog khathi ki puddo ipan hi angaye ti hi amasapenin kasi no me page
Ai le tuin puti ke KIAMLO HANGZO na hin sai bang chun to kon hin initiative tam tai la tawin now we always did that since the past years in bozing ke na hi le election meeting le gun culture UZ cultures ai lo la house ho in hitia tha nei wa bol hi auzing ke na hi why. Before that, we always get ready. We always talk about free and fair election, right to vote, this and that. It's amazing, Kevin. But on the day, ani thing lewa, it doesn't happen. Sing busy he them why? Puke si GUITE advocate.
Oh, Tunia, hitubang free and fair election discussion of pangding ane say period ka kipain. The free and fair election ay hola ka hi poimo mamahin. Mi ho hi mi omdani ko piwa kol gama le mete gama abol danu. Gunda hayara ahi kele somehow contractor somehow ten mi abol danu hi ho in imok ko piwa hi hin. Ho chu tinglanga Manipur azong chu out of 60 members 20 tribal ho hin ay Kuki group pa hile som khat tabang ang hin leho i political right i tribal interest ho safeguard ding lam chu election phal le koi main hepat talo selfish base business kingai ho somehow hawin mi bol bang banga kolgam vai gama mete gama bol da lua gunda ki haya also tile organization ho thing noi mi hile elaka most strongest organization ho in advantage in lawa candidate pa hong kitwa pia ahong anung siang hong kai tiang ahong kai elected hong hi phat jong le candidate te to kitwa benefit a beneficiary hi di chu ade chan mana if public population or discriminate ibolwa chia free and fair omlo nahi i mat organization ho jong i leader ho jong i interest you chu a benefit ma i dei manu hin candidate pa jong chu selfish election the capture hun bol te ho jong chu a interest you chu vested interest how sang na sumle pai dei mana ki bol swak ke hi hin emain e hoin public interest i political right i tribal right safeguard di chu koi main e hap hi hin election phal chu si ho zo sia surrender bora surrender i bol hin ema interest te hin ki phalo ma hin ita wo jong le kan lo di kagamu pathian hoa EP ki sei dong le election chu free and fair lo hi le chu hello di hi hoi ja kin free and fair election hi i bol phat le mane chila ya phai da ma me le hoi ha bol e ho chu Christian state Christian district hi hin even due to example like due to Meghalaya ho Mizoram ho Christian state ho even doing suti hilawa me le ho ki bol dan West Bengal te bol dan so iko piwa di lo ta hi ho ya influence election chu I bol pha tu hi ta hi
Healthy tahina each and kompi neighboring country neighboring state Mizoram hilole Nagaland hilole even each and kompi so female haite wa ko naw kil na thai tam taw hinna puinen sai banga chu Christian sa ko kha zu hiwin isayo kha ibolo kha hiti umjing ke di lo ta kha hin ahile tuin puti ke KIAMLO HANGZO komansi kinin katik election meeting like now we do so much of bike rally campaign for free and fair election, bike rallies on South Achieving, we saw so many slogans, so many postcards, so many campaign, but on the day the same topic, the same day, the same thing happened. Like even I personally kay kisanzo vote ha ni ting le vote ha ka si le na vote akil hatay nga nang vote akil hatay naluding nang akil hatay, you don't have to go in and cast your vote. But before that we talk so many about fair election, free election, you have the right to vote, this and that, but on the day the same topic, the same story, the same thing happened. Why? Because of the Kuiziham, who is responsible for this? Should we blame the public who blame the Uham, or should we blame the uses of this gun culture, or should we blame the Hausa Hotitautina chief, or he blame Boldeham? Because see, it is not an old topic. Now before thing we always get ready, we have to be fair, this and that same. But why on the day it always happened the same? What is the main reason behind? Who should be blamed for this?
Yes. Oh, the EPP ki sejong le na. When it comes to the big day, the same corrupt practices,
Yes.
same, you're right. We are all responsible for that. I must have paid to what we need is a strong watchdog organization. Yes, we should. I mean, just like Mizoram, Mizo People Forum in lead Alagbanga, a HANGZO, watchdog organization cut with the blessing of the church organization and also the leaders of CSO, various tribe organizations cut making strong organization cut ngai chu. So watchdog omlo levang, nobody will see who is doing what. The parties, either the BJP, the Congress, or even the regional party, what they're doing, we have to see right from the beginning. For that, we need some watchdog organization. We need volunteers till the end of the election day, and even till the counting. More.
Good point. Let me just interrupt. Yeah, we do have so many. Tamta in now we have so many volunteers, so many people who are working. Me tamta na his election nila kitopi ding avoiding, but even they are also involved. I mean, why? Tun hingi next year election he let us elect so many other volunteers and all. What do you think? Can we trust them?
No, kasi no to Mizoram People Forum is a neutral organization, na political party lo. So ti banga watchdog organization kat umlewang who will see who is practicing corrupt means, who is doing what and what or not, the candidates as well as the voters. They should be made aware. First of all, awareness ngai chula. Chule nasi value system hi to who guite sa itabanga. So the value system have to be changed. We're a Christian organization. So Christian hile righteousness exalt a nation, but sin is a reproach to all people. Proverbs 14:34. Asay bangin. There is no middle ground for that. Either we follow righteousness or we sin. So that kind of ethics, akinelo wanga chitibang kichung. We are in this kind of condition. Na ethics in ilo jiachu. Evalu system chu MLA kaido di minister hidi candidate hausang na sumbol di business minded ichu. Kagam kami downtrodden ho uplift na di hilo ki ho business ikat motive ka nahi che. Chu ho chu value system ho ki pan pe. Chu watchdog organization umlewang with the help of the CSOs, church organization, church leaders, and all other leaders, if we cooperate, at least in our Kuki dominated districts, even the whole district of Hill district of Manipur. Chuki bol thai di chu. to keep at zong I have some idea, but now it is too late to start. Election is only 4 months away now. So just hasata na the organized ga bol lizong. Hizong le to a candidate hon su yes. At veteran kay election gadin goal I mean sumizana na iham, you know. Coming back to value system. Role is an election ni got ham. Kiti na question also. So that again in Mizoram, of course, their polling booths are very few. The constituencies, electorate are very few in the constituency compared to Manipur. For example, Susanpur constituency, we have about 75 polling booths. But say in Mizoram, Aizawl West 1, they have about 20 polling booths only. So that his only expenditure, Election Commission of Indian expenditure limit he around 30 lakhs to revise a poll. But in Mizoram, in last election, an MLA is elected just by spending around 10 lakhs only. That is because of clean election. Why can't it happen in Manipur? Why can't it happen in Nagaland?
So that's the point. Why can't it happen in Manipur? Why can't it happen in Kuki Chate, Tingha, Lai Piding happen Hitailoham? So big question to Puke GUITE advocate. This question, should we blame the public or should we blame who is to be blamed for this? Puke GUITE advocate.
Individual say the candidate himself is more responsible. Candidate Pine free and fair election day to me goy loading hin paisa hata me volunteer goy loading hin number 1 aso candidate pa so responsible mama hi sibana khosung house ho to permanent na akosunga authority chief hong hin chitobanga manthayomul wangchu hello be se hin wajaka house ho jong chu isdabanga igam sunga instrumental for this unfair means practice ahiule rotation of phachula wajaka eho candidate ho kingnoi ho house ho they are more responsible ma ehoin namadi igela hile tuchan gaya elected te ojong chu iverle koyin Kuki state ai kele 6 schedule jogam demand abol hum assembly a koyin politics se hum achuti tho itia gun culture kepchari bol hum iho chui gelwa na responsible everyone of us is responsible whether public ho chu kilo piece of boy masa chu candidate a public leader ho house ho ama ho in bol di silo chu public chu ahisa hi jeng sula kichu ka sei no
It's adi momong hina election ni hoting lehin enjoy hin say bangwa gun culture na threaten capture and this nai ho Kuki te hi chieftainship ti taute hausa ki vai poivin hausa ho in athu da na hi te apuyo hi involving na. So what do you think? Ibiding ball, then what is their main point? And enjoy it is because they are doing only for the interest it out. Now we are living in a democratic country. India is one of the biggest democracy in the world. I have the right to vote. You have the right to vote. Right to vote nail. So now I have the right. Amatsuka de katile kin vote kalhading na. I like ibiding why? Why? This is a big ibiding hausa ho use hot out in gun culture, capture, hitabang hi evolve, election ting le ka dai lo khat na dai lo khat chu kai jing ke ahung kai ting le society adinga khan to na zong lo phat som na zong lo vote zong kai hin khwa voter ti chu vote ni le khot na ve tong wo u le naw pi le pu so pi naw cha pang ho vote ha thai above 18 ho khu hung ji so they always come for voting. But they are not given the chance to vote. Even if they vote, they give the vote to people who like identity as one vote at has you so na. Hit the bang hipiding based on religion. Christian sa hozong zui ka iva. We always talk about honesty, truthfulness, sincerity. But why don't we follow? Why we only keep hipiding interest for one only group my balls in ke what is the main reason behind in this cookie society? Open question to both of you. Masa penin puti ke kamlo hangzo.
Kasi banga ka tunga pada value system diglo but we can change, we can always change. But number one, awareness, political awareness, a political right, fundamental right to vote. A political awareness.
Yes, let me interrupt there. Puti ke kamlo. Yes, awareness, political rights is always given. Now, you know, cycle, so many kendra ahi. I ho constituency ahi. We have this bike rally, we have this campaign, free and fair election, awareness. Yung hi chizing ke hi so chilo hilo so. Na kisa izing ke you have this and that, but always the same old topic, the same old story on the same day.
No, let me. Mizoram model chuka say king this because why it is successful there. You have the cooperation of all the political parties, all the candidates. They have met because of that watchdog organization called Mizo People Forum, Kiti Pancho. That is watching all what is happening during campaign. What is this XYZ candidates are doing? What are they doing? What are the people doing? Campaign achu they don't even allow this thing. What do you call big rallies? They don't want big feast to be organized by the candidates. All these things. There should be some watchdog organization which control. Hola umlo asay bogia na. Ipandi watchdog organization neutral ay dito. Congress support hama hilole. BJP's candidate support hiloa. Neutral organizations who look who are doing which candidate is doing what are the electoral doings, what are the voters what's the organization with the cooperation and the of course Election Commission of India, ECI also should be involved. That kind of organization in Mizoram was Mizoram People Forum kiti so about the war me they what do you call they watch what people are doing. They'll not allow candidates to distribute money. They'll not allow candidates to canvass in such a way that they have undue influence, corrupt practices. So tibang ibol nga sila. Asa ibol. For example, candidate support ana bias ta itilile ibol chu successful lo dicho. Langkat lang support langkat lang attack Congress candidate ina BJP candidate attack bola ama ho ikata bola so hitelo dicho. So yes, neutral organization strong with the blessing of Election Commission of India and duly backed by all the CSOs, student organization, na beg lewang unghad dicho. So tibang organization ora mi bol ngai chu. Chilawa igen gele bang mapatuam lo di mo. Why jaka Chitibang, strong organization, Ebola awareness, people, fundamental right to vote is the vote value of vote. Ka vote chu very valuable. Kay mizong pa tinglanga omizong le. Kay vote to. CM biren vote chu value. One vote is kibang hey.
Yes.
Ila lewang na. Kay vote midangin on kiyasak hilo di. They cannot vote. There cannot be proxy vote. So this kind of awareness should be planted. Then we can defeat whatever forces, whatever undue influence bolte chu both awareness
Mm,
required among the masses,
mm,
especially in the villages, hill areas, more
mm,
remote
mm,
villages. So ti bang
mm.
umlo ami say house apa say evot the block voting ya ki bol so di lo
Mm.
chula.
I like to interrupt him balling kati. CSO leader itivina. We also have so many CSO leaders in Aithawena. Uncountable number of CSO leaders do we have in Kuki society? What are
Yes.
they doing? This is a big question. Forget
No.
about Mizoram. Mizoram also hanging this CSO
Example, there is
leaders.
a model, Mizoram. Here, ama hochu coordination umlo chula. A CSO, one is supporting X, the other is supporting Y. So ti hiloa, neutral organization which is strong enough to, have a impact on the whole society. We should say that we should make and same the candidate also. Kan tu candidate han si bolle che candidate ho arriver he just neutral taka one strong watchdog organization is required. We should see all this. We should be vigilant for all the activities towards all the activities of all the candidates and the voter also who is doing what su volunteer ngai ke tina chu volunteer also candidate support na dilo to see that free and fair election is taking place. There is no corrupt practices. There is no undue influence. So things are going, as per the model code of conduct. Chu avet tu ngai organization kan ngai chu eo la nai lo chu. Mizoram ta chula. Chu ka sei nom chula. Mizoram je successful la ipida 10 lakh bo basic expenditure say na MLA kai the chu. Eo la 10 crore tamang saying you may not get elected. So it is just the difference. What is clean election? There should be some watchdog organization. We should oversee all this. We should supervise the electioneering activities. Chu ngai chula any nai lo chula. Chu gito home just organization to student ai lo le CSO KSO ipiha siamsin porpi paitelang ke sele na. So zomi student so with their active cooperation participation ki bolte chu controlling organization one strong organization what's the omlole itelo chu ka say no.
Adina. Aile to puk kesi guite advocate. Aile organization tam ta inay win na. Why? Izapu TK KIAMLO HANGZO in say bang to neutral ta ding Thailand na. CEPZ them. What do you suggest for these CSO leaders and organization to stand and stay strong strong? Iti panlak ngai ham.
Pu HANGZO na say chu watchdog ne chu ngai ti chu di chu dia na. Mizoram achu they are all Mizos. Midang omlo chu no Manipur achu Kuki group ai ke thado speaking le paite speaking achu gil to lo chu na community wise settlement. Mizoram abai lam na chu YMA in say chu asay hita chu na. Abon YMA no yamahin MZP ham YMA hama. Manipur azong to bang abol di chila chu Kuki speaking laga chu thado speaking laga chu KKL na khanglai lom P chibam. Paite speaking laga chu YPA chibam. In ama community wise saha bol in bohela hile kan na ve ta thawina hizong le eho community achu i organization hat ho hi MLA minister sumha hoi kutu api di na de na which how to organization chu hat pe nai ne yu hi hin ama ho chu candidate to kitu a sum na di elected hi nunga jong chu enjoy na lai ding chi chu a purpose ong hi le why ja ka chu na number 1 le ho chu politics siding a arm group dong ki pan hi chona i house ho dong chu they are the guardian of their village mo mi pi te le agama dinga house pa chu a guardian chi di ham na protector khatin chin na a hi le number 1 a i be due to the land and the people mo e hoin gam hu ding bang ding again wa ipi huna gam hu diong number 1 a chu election vote hiang ne chu we are so excited na village administration below piece of vote here ki mi khat khot saga ten voting right and chu house pa village administration to kisai khalo hial chu village administration chu chi bolu te chi bol dau te cha house ale village authority in thuan nei chona hizong le voting right chu constitutional right election commission state nuwa ya hong ki bol do hi election commission te sa hi hin e ho chu cooperation i bol di hi bo chu candidate ho in election hin te duwa e ho candidate ho in election commission ho assist bolna chu polling agent ho igwangwa di taka na mi vote ki guk lo di nga adik na di nga polling agent ho ki habhin waja ka e ho minority ho inchu the land and the people number 1 ne dingu waja ka mizoram to banga wayame to banga thanei di chu thado speaking laga chu KKL ai ke speaking a chu YPA na ama ho le hang lai Christian toy lai te polin na Christian te le YPA ki thoi na ki bol le wang chu thadom ve ta
adin na hi la twin public nga ni si kin au hi chin na public zong hi neu khat i vele like i thil bol adi lo zong tam ta min na election hum kon la hen we have so many campaign bune khom na ai lo le election na ding di ho hin so many advertisements so many words to say na tam ta zong evolving ale mi pi ho zong hi chila hi involve zong aki hi ji na election ni ting le like election ading ho so they are only for 5 years kum nga se leng hi dio hena you and me we have the right to vote e ho so forever hi we na ai le mi pi ho zong hin ipidinga why khunung ding velowa ama in sang khat sang ni lo sum tham khat a hin pizza vote hazing na aji su 5 years adinga khusunga ding veng sunga ding ai lo le society ade khan to na dinga central hello state government na ko na through our candidate na ko na hongi in terms of say zolo hina thing pading ki sai le very clearly in ki sai le but we the public e ho zong he also help halowa election meeting le sum tham khat je vote gal hazing hi tham khat kamula phazing e ti yong hi bolo zong po vina hi song what do you think public hong hi ipi ngai to ham what is this because of misunderstanding or because of kipi yong le kipi hi zong le tha khat hi ta gel je bol ham chong ipi ji ham na hin sai thai ham pu ti ke KIAMLO HANGZO
yeah kasi banga value system hi chula hi zong le as I said we need to educate the electorate especially in village ho Parflang area ho I mahelo ho to the chu house punchi vote in ti je ka vote ti hilo aman ama fundamental right enshrined in the Constitution of India under the is in democracy kehi right voting right kane chi fundamental right hi chi ki het masak nai awareness campaign chu ngai chula chu je chu bol dia chu one big watchdog organization which is neutral which pu kesi na sei banga chu Mizoram chu one community hi na Mizo bon chilang chu different tribes ke ma kitolo Yes, to some it is correct, but we can have a common forum. We can have a common distinct meeting together, and we can organize people from various tribes as leaders and various youth organization. Ase bang bukila thadola su KKL ham sule baitila azong YPM mala azong YPM amaho youth organization chutia अब ama ho area wise ahi volunteer ikat thei chulo organize thei you can mobilize people for that so just common front khat ini forum khat ini ipan khomungai chula chu hin yeah kasi banga chu that is why it is not successful here is only kasi banga chu what is more important is educating the people, the village people, awareness, political right, democracy. Nang in vote na krale na future na gam na bolin and leader na bolin, the leader who are going to rule over you. Now you have to select who is good. Panasak should vote na PD hichi nang ma de dandan na PD hichi should nang right hichi I hate sang lai chula. Chu
Ahile, let me interrupt pu TK KIAMLO. Okay, awareness pitawe or we amhon understand hi tawe even chief for village chief for komang say tawe organization leader hon jong panala tawe. But we have this culture na gun culture. Use a hon nam lam kai ho and his election thing le khut azaw sa jing kewa pressure pressure khatabo jing keo hi why tisukin kara heng ting Arul aman heng tin his only. Now I know my right. I have to go and vote for the right candidate. His only. When it comes to this gun culture, I think this is media platform. Koi masa isa idem now zong po. It's very much transparent in sizing out na. It's just a whole thing le. When I want A, they ask me to go for Z. Then what should I do? This is a big question. Ho ting lang Kuki sa te atika. Think saying na. So maybe an organization or maybe an individual who comes up for the right thinking and right to vote na HANGZO le. When something comes here with the pressure or something, then ipihami ball just iti di sung do thai de ham neutral in organization khan hung ding zong le iti di ham chlai he po na ung tai ipi cha hi pan iti law ngam chule hi se ho nam lam kai ho nam leader ho ko mau ipi na sing no ma pu ti ke KIAMLO please do resume.
Yes, kasi bang asu Bible in Galatia bung guk chang sagi achu as you sow so shall you reap iti na tu bang mo na ardi chin as you sow so shall you reap therefore if you sow corruption corruption till corrupt practice ngena till na bolle blessings on igama omlo chula chu ibolo na dinga righteousness exalt a nation kati banga dit karna chu most important hai chu you'll reap what you sow, what kind of food you'll reap if you vote through violence mean through boot capturing through money power through muscle power aile a result chu a hon I suffer you gamho six schedule zong kimul zo ngai lo ding tule honesty integrity ne lo ima transparency zong omlo corrupt means aile hilzo ima zo so hong corrupt asu because the base is corrupt. His fundamental right to vote is uprooted. Right, zong omlo anop na kisim. So it is not election. It is selection in most cases. Usually hot who to ami. So tibang omlo jingle blessing omlo. So dia chu tibang na bol kiel sehi igamu ongle lodi igamu development wang yes ummaite but I right I political right ho hi ngom thelo na so dia chu righteousness exalt a nation blessing dia chu to the to ipan ngai chula kela ho not only Mr. Megala ho jong karap lo pit phata thilabolu chu agamunom chula ai ho gam chu meile ho ni pedia ai zo gi ya meile policy pedia do zo la mitile ai ho number 1 hitolo number 2 corrupt two corrupt practices oi ma leader ilen hozo ilen do hozo they have no guts, they have no courage to speak for the truth, to to safeguard our interests, the interests of the hill people. So yeah, so uh, uh, dita na umlo so righteousness umlo hang san na zong anilo so hang san nam talo assembly azong saying amlo so lo ima saying ang talo so just midita ki elect lewang ama hoen gamle nama dia hata han say diu hata ka protect han bol diu assembly azong ho interest safeguard han bol diu so ti bang chan ge iwang sin no ho hill people ho he ko ima leader ho he tu chan ge kinai na ipgm chile we start with corrupt practices. The root is corruption. We have elected through unfair means, through corrupt practices, through undue influence. But here in Zong, a goal zol tailored. Blessing.
Di mo mong very much true hin na di mo azi so we all have our own jurisdiction na bin na nam gol hang ho in zong nam gol hang hi na ato ding dom kita o hen lang na mi pin zong a bol ding alom ki bol hen lang leader hon zong bol ding alom ki bol hen lang na
neutralize na det na undue influence UGSO group ham UG group ham ama ho influence le na de chu pp awareness ngai chala chu bol de chu again one neutral organization who will cover all parts of the who will consist of all the communities, all tribal leaders. So neutral organization khatin watchdog khat ngai chula chu in avadi coordinator boldi vigilant omdi chu neutral ta koi ma jang support lo di chu bang ibol masang chu I macha free and fair election ngai leng ngai lo di chu
khang tông na zong lo de ti cho hin nai za ka hin sai bangin ti to na I tham na ai ma right in ma jurisdiction hi chan ge ke to dinga lo ma hi in hi chan ge ke bol dinga lo ma hi in state khana chief minister khat chon prime minister to de ga to thei hi poina so let us know our limitation nam lam kai ho a hi lo le nam gol hang ho in zong hi chan ge ke to dinga lo ma hi chan ge hi ke bol dinga lo ma hi lo le kha house hon zong hi chan ge hi ke bol dinga lo ma hi ti khani he tingo le thili hung di de to hi very much corrupt is a buladi lo za ale zong di lo to hi ho isu tam ta I nei vin ting le kilung hang ki adi lo hang ki pa ja chu voice of the people la ki pang thai ki ta lo hi chi pg am til abul di lo zi he na ai le twin pu ke si kui che advocate ko ma ching ka ti ai ho ne pe ninga se I chen kho pe so pe mail hai te ho hi election meeting le a han a chak thai lo ki san zong min alup na hin pu a very fear ta vote a case also na ai ho so a chi ki san ngong vote ki ha jing a thi ho kum som lia na thi ho to vote ha hung jing na ai lo le kai vote hi lo ga chu mi ga hai lo le hi ta repetition ai ta thili bol jing ke zong yu ipz hi da henge maybe wa mi hom ji wa yong si bol lo khan hinan te lang khan hi zong le this is very much unfair exam unfair means not ki bola ki copy ki pass ta bang hi na MBBS sim khat chu not bola passing patient doctor ong hi dam lo ho treatment hin bol tong hin bol ting le dam sa lawa a thi sa zo hi chita ma tu hin yung gam tawin ale mi ho ko na in ki hil thai lom chita ma hi om jing ke in cha hi na viewpoint ni pm iti correct I bol ong ngai ham ku ke si GUITE advocate
yeah. awareness to poimohin
silong da
awareness leader take awareness number 1 a poimo kasai awareness is a phale voting right on the day of polling mai hilo na me state neta India gamsunga state nei ho na including Manipur tong state nei state bar chu agam protection neta chu state in chu na EPP ama state ti chu government hi state chu government hi ta chu government na yu e ho chu Manipur sunga state ni nai lo e ho protection ki nei nai lo land protection ki nei lo na ti ho political awareness ai patunga ai chu to political leader candidate hoin mi state nei te to banga politics si bolwa Bihar te bol banga Bengal te bol banga West Bengal te bol banga power ki chu dia di lo hi candidate khada hong ding do in chu politics a lunglut chinai sula gamhu na dia lunglut na public welfare a lunglut china hi hi le leader te ko ma chu awareness poi mo mama ka sai house te hi dong le a charge leader te hi dong le khip be a yo mu chu na hi thei lo chu mi intellectual ki si ho le leader ki si ho chu si ta banga ki kum nuam lo gajaw nuam lo na silent chu phalo hi silence silence promotes terrorism na wa jaka ibon wa chu isei diu ina to mai hon jong ti wang a phapoi chu isei diu ita banga organization GS o khat khilpha bolom le chu moral support ibo swak ke dingu support ya ilungel mai support di lo isei diu na isei do diu WhatsApp group tabang newspaper ajong isei diu na kita bangin thilpha bolu hin free and fair election campaign bolu hin I support swak ke diu hi candidate hoina zui diu hi house hoina zui diu hi e ho la political leader si ho chu MLA le thing noi ho chu political leader ai nei hui chu na political leader ho chu a violate tu ahong pahutula I politics ai khan mo na diu ama bol heroin ka he public wang chu na mok ki blame thailo chu leader ten elite danwo dilo ja ki chu
Adin na ai le pu ke si guite sorry for interrupting pha zong I ha nei to povin na na nang nen say ba we should start raising our voice raisable lo ngai tai ti so hi in ai le tun a chai ne game phat in nei to povin chong cha chan hin sai pi hona na apa sa penin puti ke KIAMLO HANGZO command sing ka ting election hung nai to kilhana we have only for 3-4 months ai to kilhana itabang candidate hi vote in a pi ngai ham itabang candidate hi support in a ball ngai ham advertisement ha ball mana ai lo le ne le cha arrange a ball mana hi lo fees a ball mana motorcycle rally a ball mana support a ball diu ham ana to na event wa support a ball diu ham mi pi ho le viewers so Kuki society cheng citizen ho zo si ko ma ip vai tha nan nei no mam chom chan hin sai pio
Okay. Yeah. Candidate ho background he yes. Tuazong election commission they have made it compulsory while filing the nomination paper that they should declare the uh, educational background, financial background, and criminal background. Here important, So tibangachu hoenjong even the XYZ candidate he itibang miham government service omlai hi amahi itibang miham gamle nam ngailud bo hilo integrity nei honesty nei corrupt practices bolo miham ti aven ngai so background is very important to je chu somehow ham property minister pa sa pa na hiya khanga dynasty politik bola kejong tun election ng dinginge ti sa pa chu ong dingle mo vote dilo apa itibang miham apar jong even background jong different na so society
background
constituency
background background
background is very
vetting
important.
background very much
Corruption.
important. Honesty, sincerity. Itabang mi ham jisu vet na vote bol ngai he not
Somehow,
because of
what is the
not
means?
because of money.
What is the source of their income? Mana, somehow how roll party, roll zakat tabang ni, chuho chu ilan leta lao de chu. We are
So
simple.
veta lo di hetin na ki pam hezing in puti ke KIAMLO HANGZO khani nei tapovi na very sorry puke sigui che chom chan hin don bu no na mi pi ho viewers of the Kuki society citizen ho ko mai pi vai ha na nei no ma itabang candidate ho hin hen o ngai ha chom sakhat hin sei pi o sot lo
e ho society neu cha hiu hin na i constituency jong chu neu cha hin na chia candidate ho chu bona history he ti chu apua pa he ti chu na mi jinai ding khatai le anute i ti mi ham chi ho jong chu he chuak ke thubang na candidate ho chu mi apua pa jong chu mi pha ham mi dik ta thia chi khai gel diu na gama dinga public betray loading na di tat ding loyalty anama ding anei ding agama dia ki sacrifice thei ho I bol do hi businessman I bol ta loading oi bana ka sei nom khatuna e ho ki le zo mi ki te la ka hi mi live ngave somve isatua ips yo assembly ajong sei do jong nei ngai lo e ho in king to banga na hausa sa ding Solomon to banga mi hausa tundo din da nai gel chu di lo ni na ga ho in na risang casing to bang chief minister hi thei khat chu tundo na chu ti lo chu every 5 years
ai hin na very lungang hi la phai nei tapo na very dedicated and then gam len nam society and a sacrifice ball mi hang san mi ho zo support in a ball di heti so hi in adi zong adi hin e ho ki society election hung kiti tengle sum corruption hi lo le e ho gun culture hi lo le election campaign ha ball man ne le cha ai lo le fees ai lo le ne le cha gon man hi lo campaign ha ball man election gon teng ne advertisement atamin I het diu khachu advertisement ki ha ball thil ki ti aphata poi akil ha lo ja advertise ki ball he ti hi na su mi lo di wa hi na thil apha khat skui ma san advertise ball lo hi son ho waiting election we have only 4 months bang in ai ta ji chu to apa na hi public ho khut na zo me hi we should start raising our voice na chu le nam lam kai ho nam golang ho ko mau isai no mau chu hi thai le ai ma jurisdiction ki het no hi tin physical wala hi kai ball ding alom physical wa kai sei ding alom hi poi ti khat ki he no tin I na hi na ito to ding pa ki het le han zo si adi a hung si ding si ting le il han do mi ho zong su I society ding in nam wa dinga MP han lang MLA hi zong le table chung ma ham ngam mi kil han do thain ding wa panila di wa hi ji su ka hin sai hi tin khosung weng sunga tin na hi lo le thil neu ne ong so hi nan tin hi zong le society a dinga phat sum na ding lam ma dinga I chan gia hang san ta pan langam ham ti ho zo su ne gel wa sumle pai ji lo le hi chi bol ji thil neu neu sang khat sang ni sang thuman I bol pi ji wa vote in a ha lo de he khunung ding gela vote in ha de ti su Kuki society citizen ho ko ma it's time to wake up tiong cha vela ka hin sei hin tin ki pam he jingin dunia dinga are we ready for free and fair election topic ki ho na wa guest hong chani puti ke KIAMLO HANGZO retire IDS le puke si GUITE advocate nang ni zong Impact TV Kuki channel core committee chule producer pa thaleng na chung hana ki pa tu ka hin phong in he hi tuni program event na wai phat chom pi na ho Impact TV Kuki channel official website comment le feedback zong hin pi thayo hi chule COVID-19 pandemic ki chai lo lai hi na ki sai jing sa face mask man jing kai ding hand sanitizer man ding chule social distancing zui jing kai ding zong hi na zui lo duty hi Impact TV channel mangcha avela public awareness ka hin sai hin tin tu na ding I chan hum khana ka hin ne tu event na wa phat som pin ho comment le feedback hin pi vela avela ka hong kit ka se muntinai zanda Manipur Kuki edition vezo si na bon chawin mangpha